Hi kids, welcome to our universe. The universe is everything. The universe is everywhere. The universe is infinite.
It contains a vast number of galaxies.
A galaxy
Is a huge collection of stars, rocks, dust, and gas.
we live in the Milky Way.
The Milky Way is a large spiral galaxy. All the stars we see at night in the sky is in our own Milky Way.
Let's take a journey through the Milky Way. Milky Way. What discoveries can we make today? Make today. A spiral galaxy with planets and stars. Planets and stars. Just don't confuse it with the candy bar. Candy bar. Let's take a journey through the Milky Way. Milky Way. What discoveries can we make today? Make today. A spiral galaxy with planets and stars. Planets and stars. Just don't confuse it with the candy bar. Candy bar.
In the Milky Way, there are vast number of solar systems.
The solar system is made up of the Sun, 8 planets, and their moons.
The planet Earth is the third planet of our solar system, where you are now.
The Earth is a pretty big place. The Earth is the only planet in our solar system which has life. That makes our planet Earth unique.
Our beautiful Earth, our home. This is a bee. It lives in a hive. The hive is on a tree. The tree is in a city or town or village. The city or town or village is in India. India is on Earth. Our Earth, our home. Earth, a home for many homes. Every living thing, howsoever big or small, has its own home in some corner of this huge big Earth, all fitted together to make this one big enormous home. Our Earth, a home to every living being.
Our planet Earth is also called the blue planet because 3/4 of our Earth's crust is covered with water.
Water. Do you know that 71% of our Earth is filled with water? Out of this 71% of water, only 2% of water is fresh that can be used for drinking. We all know that water is so important for human beings, plants, and animals to survive. That's why we say that we should save water. There are some natural sources of water, and those are ocean, river, ponds, lakes, and streams. These are the natural sources of water.
Now, let us discuss the various landforms of the earth.
Are hills, plateaus, plains, and mountains.
Plateaus are fairly labeled highland areas among steep slopes of surrounding hills. There are raised flat surface areas bounded one or more sides by cliffs or steep slopes. Plateau may be caused by volcanic activity. Plateaus are also known as tableland because that is flat on top. Hills are lower than mountains but are higher than their surrounding areas. and they have gentle slopes and rounded tops. Hills are usually covered with trees and grasses.
Plains are the large area of flat land.
Plains are mostly suitable for farming than plateaus or mountains. Plains include forest, desert, grasslands.
Forests are large area where trees grow close to each other under natural conditions. Forests are home for wild animals and birds. It also provides shelter to many people. They get their food, water, and raw materials for their everyday lives. Due to increase in population, every year many trees are cut from the forest to make roads, buildings, and furnitures. We all know that trees are so important for us. They provide us food, they provide shelter to the birds, and most important, trees purifies the air we breathe. So kids, together we all should plant more and more trees to make our nature happy.
Grassland is the most fertile landform. It is easier to grow crops over there. It is most suitable living place for human beings. Transportation is also very easy over there.
Desert is an area where almost no rain falls. Very few plants and animals live in desert.
Very difficult to walk on sand.
Do you know, kids? Camel is known as the ship of the desert. Now, my dear kids, let us promise together to save our Mother Earth.
The earth is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth. United with friends, I promise to keep it. United with friends, I love the land. United with friends, I'll be a defender. I will save the earth. My home, I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures. I will be a defender of my planet, united with friends. I will save the earth.
Hope you liked it.